Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be college outfit ideas. So I thought of making this video because colleges are reopening and obviously many of you might be confused what to wear and what not to wear. So this is the perfect video for all the girls out there. You know, I have mixed feelings that college is reopening. I'm not very much excited about it. Neither I am sad. It's like in between. So I have put together a few of the outfits which I like personally. Some are very over the top, some are very basic for all the girls. I will be making another part for the girls who just wear kurtis and jeans and pajamas and all that and don't like to wear western clothes. So don't worry, there is a video coming up for you girls as well. So keep on watching. So the first outfit is very basic. I have styled a flat pant with a Shein top. Like, before you ask, let me tell you, this top is from Shein and Shein is banned, so I can't put a link down below. And I have paired my favorite bag with it, which I am eagerly waiting to carry to college. And I have wore flats. So this outfit is very basic and casual again. A basic bell-bottom jeans along with red top, which is also from Shein, and a black backpack along with black shoes. So this outfit is for the time when I go to college, not to study but just to hang out in the campus. So I carry this small bag. Also, if you're not comfortable wearing sleeveless, you can obviously put on a shirt, black shirt or any shirt to cover it up, and you will be good to go. Yes, I go to college to do time pass as well, not to study all the time. So this outfit gives a very chill vibe. I have done a half bun and carried this brown bag which I have carried to college a lot with the nude heels. Yes, there are girls who wear heels to college. Don't comment like who wears heels to college. There are. Even I wear quite a lot. If you're comfortable, you can. The next outfit is very girly. I have wore this top which is also from Shein. Again, the very same bag and nude heels. Nude heels go with every outfit. And yes, a ponytail, that's all. So the next outfit is very basic. This charcoal jeans, bell bottom jeans along with this huge bag which I rarely carry to college, and this cutout top and black basic heels to go along with it. That's all. Now this outfit, it's like very basic, just a normal draped jeans and flats again, and this very basic bag and this top which changes the whole look. I love the neckline of this top and that is the only reason I got this one. So definitely this one is my favorite. This is a very basic pullover which is not mine, this is of my brother, along with this purple bag which goes along very perfectly, and this boots. Altogether, this outfit is perfect for this Mumbai winter as we don't feel so much cold over here. It's like very slight. The next one is this very basic corset short along with black jeans and the same nude heels. I have used my nude heels all the time in this video because it goes along with all the outfits as I said before. So yeah, count the number of times I have said basic in this video. The next outfit which is coming up is very over the top. Like, I have styled my coordinated set along with a blazer. I designed this outfit by myself for my birthday. Like, I got the fabric and made it out of a scratch. Yes. With this brown bag and nude heels. That's all. And now moving on with this outfit, all the vibe for winter. So this is a pullover again, my favorite one which I wore when I went on trek, and black jeans, yeah, and the very same bag again, and black shoes. So this was the last outfit and here we come to an end to this outfit ideas. So another part is coming on the way. Bye bye. So that's all for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.